Hey there VCE HHD students, my name's Andy and I'm a VCE Health and Human Development teacher. In this short video we're going to look at the VCE HHD Exam Specifications and answer that common question, will the HHD exam be out of 100 this year? So what are the VCE HHD exam specifications? Well, the first year of each new study design for VCE subjects, there's a document released that details the makeup of the exam in that subject for the life of that study design. And so for VCE HHD, the current study design runs from 2018 to 2024. So at the start of 2018, this document was released. And so it's good to note there that because the current study design is from 2018 to 2024, if you are looking at any resource or material and even practice exams on the VCAR website that are prior to 2018, they will contain some old material that may not be relevant to the current course. So it's always important to check with your teacher if you're not sure about some content in some of those older materials. In the VCE HHD exam specifications, it mentions that all of the key knowledge and skills that underpin, both outcomes unit 3 and 4 are examinable. And so that means that obviously the whole of the course for units 3 and 4 may be examined in the exam. So these exam specifications, you can locate them on the VCAR website. Mention that the exam will consist of short answer and extended answer questions, and that includes questions with multiple parts, so A, B, C, D, etc. And at least one question or part of one question will be worth 8 to 10 marks, and so that's typically referred to as the extended response question. I've made 2 videos looking at the extended response question and how you can approach that. So if you head back to the archives of the YouTube channel, you will see that those are both there if you want to check those out. They also mention that the exam may include questions that refer to visual or written material, including scenarios, and I'm sure you've come across those in class. And they mention that the total marks for the exam will be 100. So that common question that students are often wondering, will the exam be out of 100 this year? Yes, each year the HHD exam for the life of this current study design will be out of 100. It also mentions that the exam questions may relate to one or more areas of study, and so there might be some crossover in some questions that's linked to different areas of study and even different units. But it also mentions there the weighting of the exam questions will reflect approximately the weighting of the outcomes in the study design. And so that means that you should get approximately 50 marks out of 100 on Unit 3 and 50 marks out of 100 on Unit 4. So you can't, take the chance and decide that I'm just going to focus more on Unit 3 or more on learning aspects of Unit 4, because they will be relatively evenly weighted in the exam. Okay, so hopefully you found that short video useful. If you're after a few more of these videos, head to the Health Resources Hub YouTube channel and subscribe. One's coming out each day between now and the end of the year when the HHD exam is on. I'm also presenting the HHD exam preparation revision lecture for ACE this year, so you can book a spot at the website there. There's an Instagram and a Facebook page where you can follow us, or you can send us an email at info@thehrh.net.au. Thanks so much.